Simulation is now easier than ever thanks to ANSYS Mechanical. Simulate geometry from any source, assemblies and single parts. Import models directly from leading CAD systems, directly from files. Mechanical finds the answers fast. Manage part interactions with automatically created contacts. Automatically generated meshes can be fine-tuned to user requirements. Automatically be amazed. ANSYS Mechanical is more intuitive than ever, with a wide range of solution types to choose from, a quick launch search box, and customizable menus and layouts. All simulations are parametric and built for optimization right from the start. Once your first iteration is set up, additional design points are just a click away. Structural analysis has never been easier. ANSYS Mechanical is the most complete solution for structural simulation. We promise.